Hello, lovely people. This is Jamie. So everyone that really knows me knows I'm a huge fan of self-care, and I often call it extreme self-care. And I'm not even sure if I originally heard, I think I originally heard this name from Karen Noller, and I'm not sure where she got it from. But anyway, I've been looking through and reading this book here, The Art of Extreme Self-Care by Cheryl Richardson. And it has a lot of great things in it, and it's fabulous. However, there's a common thread here, and something that I'm seeing is that with this book and with many things for self-care, you kind of have to fit into a certain box. And that certain box is that you're probably middle to upper class, you're probably married, and you have children. So yeah, okay, that's great. So you have expendable income and you have a husband who works and you stay at home. However, that's not everybody, and that's not everyone's reality. And if you don't have expendable income and you don't have a husband or a partner, and you're in a heterosexual relationship, how do you look after yourself? What sorts of things can you do? And so what I am here to tell you is that extreme self-care does not have to come in the form of an expensive spa day. It doesn't have to come in the form of getting a housekeeper. It doesn't have to come in the form of a doting husband or partner, depending on the relationship you're in. Extreme self-care can come through embodied practices. And that's what I love about what I share and what I do, is that all you have to have is a body in 5 minutes. And I am pretty sure that every person who is watching this has a body. So if you want to learn some self-care practices and tips that doesn't require anything on the outside for you to buy anything or for you to do anything, or go anywhere, and all you need is this vehicle that you walk around in every day, then check out my 3-part video series that I have going. It's free, it's for women, but you don't have to be a woman to partake in it. And check it out. Let me know how you get on. Be embodied, be badass. All you need is a body, right? So anyway, I'm signing off, and I hope you all have a super fantastic day. Keep it embodied.